Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you the fuel pump, fuse and relay location. This video should apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Okay, now the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is very easy accessible, but the fuse will be located in so-called third or hidden fuse box, which is under the main fuse box on the opposite side. And I will show you how to access both of these. The main fuse box is located right here on the driver's side. Now to lift the cover, you just want to push these two black tabs to the left and lift it up. And on the back side you have a nice small fuse diagram. Fuel pump relay, it's a relay number 42, which is located right here. Now the best way to test it is using the multimeter. If you don't have one, then just replace this one with one of the same kind and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay, they're not too expensive, and replace it. To access the fuel pump fuse, you will have to lift this complete fuse box up, turn it upside down, and then remove the bottom cover, and the fuse will be there. Now to do that, try to record this. It's quite sunny outside. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. Now you'll have one tab just down here. Hope you can see it. I'll try to zoom in, maybe turn on the flash. Okay, see, there is one tab here. You want to unclip that one, and you will have a tab of the same kind just down here under this connector. Now to approach this one, just come from this side, and same thing, you will just unclip it down there. It's not too hard to do, it's just hard to record. And once you unclip it, you see, you lift the fuse box up. Okay, sorry about that, I had to use both of my hands for a while there. And now it will be nice and loose. And what you want to do, you want to lift it up and push it towards the air box. Why? Because down there it will still be held by 4 black tabs. I will show you once I remove it. So the idea is to lift it up and push it there. It's not the easiest thing to do. Okay, I think I've got it. And then you will lift it and flip it. And you see there's like 4 of these tabs, and they are in the holes down there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next thing, you just have to remove this bottom cover. To do that, you'll again have 2 black tabs, one here and one on the opposite side. Okay. Okay, just be careful and don't drop the fuse box. And on the back side you will get access to a bunch of new fuses, and same thing on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. And here you want to check this upper fuse, fuse number 58, which is a 30 amp blue fuse. If this fuse is good as well, then you will have to dig deeper and check the fuel pump itself, wiring and things like that. But first things first, always check the fuse and the relay. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.